Dear students, in today's activity, I am going to describe the things that you usually observe in your surroundings. Listen to the description carefully and identify the objects. The first one, people who are riding two-wheelers like bikes, scooters, wear me on their heads. I protect them from head injuries when they meet with any accident, unfortunately. Who am I? Helmet. Helmet. The second one, I am a machine. People can deposit and withdraw money from me without going to the banks. Guess who am I? ATM. ATM. The full form of ATM is Automated Teller Machine. Automated Teller Machine. The third one, I am an amphibian, means I can live in water as well as on land. I have 4 legs. I eat insects. I move from one place to another place by hopping, means jumping. What is my name? Frog. Frog. The fourth one, I am a hand tool with a flat head. I am useful to everyone, particularly to carpenters. People use me to fix nails into walls or wood. Can you guess my name? Hammer. Hammer. The fifth one, I am seen in kitchen and on dining table. You use me when you eat noodles. I am made up of steel, plastic, or even wood. I belong to the family of cutlery. Who am I? Fork. Fork. The sixth one, I am a board game. 4 members can play using 9 black men, 9 white men, a queen, usually red in color, and a striker. Each player sits opposite to their team player. What is my name? Carom board. Carom board. The seventh one, I am a decorative piece. I am mostly seen in the living room of a house. I am usually hung from ceiling near a door or a window. I make melodious sound when wind blows. Who am I? Wind chimes. Wind chimes. The eighth one, I am made up of the materials like plastic, stainless steel, and wood. I am a long pole ends with a flat, wide rubber. People use me to remove water from the floor. Can you guess my name? Floor wiper. Floor wiper. The ninth one, I am a moving staircase. I move continuously and carry people up or down. I am usually seen in airports, railway stations, and shopping malls. Do you know who I am? Escalator. Escalator. The 10th and the last one. I have two legs, but not a man. I have wings, but cannot fly. I have a small tail, but not an animal. But I lay eggs. Who am I? Ostrich. Ostrich. Hope many of you have scored well. Isn't it helpful building up your word power and improving your pronunciation? It is. Learning is an endless process, and we can learn more and more by doing different activities like these. I'll come up with another interesting task. Until then, take care and keep learning. Thank you.